Did you find any nails in it, Meg? We're here at Mike's Paint and Body. I'm going to rotate the tires for her because one of the mechanic shops said that she needed new tires on the front. But the back tires are looking pretty good, so I'm just going to rotate the tires. I don't know why the mechanic shops didn't do that, but we're going to get at least another 6-8 months life out of these tires.
Okay.
I changed out guns. Hopefully this is going to take care of it. We have plenty of air pressure. I don't know what's up.
Thank God.
It's only when I come out here and do stuff, this stupid thing don't work. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. This thing is a beast. That's what I'm talking about.
Go, hiya, hiya.
This one's stuck.
Please don't.
So even the simplest jobs can turn into a headache.
You're not gonna hit that with the.
You gotta
broom,
hit
are
that.
you?
Just the simplest things. I'm going to turn it down a little bit because it's very fast. These little lock things, you always want to like spin it on there so you make sure it's in there. Because if you do like this, you'll never catch it. If you do, you can break the tool. Bill! You missed all the action.
I see.
All right, done deal. All right, guys. We rotated the tires. We did find that there was a nail in this front tire, and I'm going to patch it real quick for you. The tire indicator light did come on her dash. This tire was low on pressure, and this is why. Phillips screw and
You could bark this area if you wanted to, which I probably should have done. But you can also run soap on there too to make sure that's the problem, but obviously it was. This is the soap method. You can run soap on there if you see bubbles and you know you got a leak right there. This is the way I do it. And you should wear goggles when you do this. Got to really shove it in there, twist it a little bit just to kind of get it going in there. You don't have to put it all the way in. Bam! Done. Put some air in the tire, get it back to the proper air pressure. Watch, it'll say it on the tire, and it'll also say it in the driver door jamb. 32 pounds for this one. That plug, you don't have to trim it, but I'm going to do it anyways. It's going to wear off, doesn't matter. But Meg said trim it, so I'm trimming it. There you go. That, my friends, is how you do it. Alright, I see the bird. Meg, I think the problem with the bird is it's got a really small head. Look at that.